Okay, we are here at Benjamin Court. I'm walking up the little doorway. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, very, very cute and very clean. It's got new vinyl, new carpet, new paint. This is your living room. And then you've got your dining room, nice sized dining room. Okay, here's the kitchen. It is, got a dishwasher, nice sink area, nice cabinets. There's your dining room. This looks like a duplex. From the front, the only things attached is the garages. This is your master. You got your little private backyard. Nice size. And then this is your master bath with a 5-foot shower.
Yeah, I'm following you.
Access. And at the front of the house, you've got 2 other bedrooms. It's nice because you
I found it. That's right by the garage. Nice. Huh?
got a nice size laundry room.